All right, so let's suppose I give you a Cartesian plane.
Okay.
Okay, and what we want to do is we want to find the center of enlargement. I've got two objects over here. I've got some kind of rectangle. Let's just say it's over here. And this rectangle is enlarged by
Uh,
by 2, let's say, right? So basically, let's say this is 2 centimeters over here. This will be 4 centimeters over here. And
okay.
if this is 4 centimeters, then this is 8 centimeters. And we can see that the magnitude of the enlargement, right? So this is part of enlargements. We can see that it's enlarged by a factor of enlargement, which is 2. But
Yeah.
we also know that when we start off, we call the original object, let's say A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
We,
And then there's also something called a dash.
yeah, and A dash, B dash. By the way, this should be C dash there and D dash there in that order, so it goes in that order. So I just need to swap the other one around. You can see that it's got to be A, B, C, D, following one behind the other. Okay,
Yeah.
A, B, C, D. So that's the enlargement. So if I am going from my object, remember this is A, B, C, D, to my image, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, which is my image, then there is a factor of enlargement going this way, which is in this case, because I can see it's going from 2 centimeters to 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters to 8 centimeters, the factor of enlargement is going to be 2 because I have to multiply by 2 to get there, multiply by 2 to get there. And likewise, the other side as well, multiply by 2 there and multiply by 2. If I had to go backwards, the factor of enlargement will become half because I would be halving each of the sides. All right, so factor of enlargement is the first thing that is a fact when it comes to enlargements, right? The second thing is now finding the center of enlargement. So when we want to find the center of enlargement, the center is found by connecting the vertices, right? So by connecting the vertices,
Point.
all right, mapping them one to the other, and then seeing where they meet up, right? So we're going to connect the vertices using lines. I connect A dash to A, and I extend the line as far as I can. Then I connect B dash to B, and you can see they're intersecting at that point there. I then connect D dash to D, and guess what? They intersect at that point there.
Yeah, you have to like make line. That's what
Yeah,
I've chosen.
that's it. And then this one here would be C to C dash, and automatically it also ends up all intersecting. It normally intersects at exactly the same
Same point.
point. Yeah. So that point of intersection is a coordinate. It'll have some kind of x value, and I don't know what it is, and I have some kind of y value. I don't know what it is, but this is the center. We always put x first and then y as a coordinate. We put that number from the x-axis, and we put that number there from the y-axis. This could be, for example, let's say -4, and let's say this is -3. Then this coordinate would be -4, -3, let's just say. So we call this the center of enlargement. All right, so the center of enlargement is, in this case, xy. And that's how we would find the center of enlargement, right?